In this video from Shop Stuff, we're taking a quick look at how to count up multiple till drawers using the Tellermate T-iX D2000 money scales. So I've got a couple of till drawers ready to go. I've got my Tellermate switched on. I'm counting normal till drawers, so I've got 8 UK coin types and then 4 note types. So I'm on the main home screen, so all I need to do is to go into caching up by pressing OK. The default settings will start with Teller Cup and on the 1p's. So you take your Teller Cup, scoop out the pennies, make sure that you've got the money platform set in that position, so you can just stick the tray on the top and it tells you how many pennies you've got and then adds them to the total. As soon as you take the tray off, it jumps to 2p's. Pop them on the top, and because of the auto scroll, this is probably where most mistakes happen when you realise you've got some more of a certain coin type to count, and as long as you spot you've got extra coins to count before you've taken the coin tray off, you can simply add them in and it will tot up that you've now got 26, 52p and add that to the total. Because every time you take the scoop off, it automatically moves on to the next coin type. What you can do, so there I've got some 5p's, taken them off, it's added them on, and I've spotted I've got another 3 or 4 or 5 left in the cash drawers inserts. What I need to do is arrow back to 5p and then just add them on, so it's remembered I've got 13. So I'll put them in the tray, add them on, and then I've now got the correct total. So it is possible to put a mistake right, but only if you spot it. So now we're on 10p's, 20s, onto 50s, pounds, £2 coins. So we're done with the coins. I haven't got any full bags to count, so we can jump straight up to notes. So we've got £5 loose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pop them on the top. There we go. As with the coins, it just automatically jumps to the next one. We've got 9 of those. 20s. So we've got 28, total 560, and it just keeps adding it to the total. Got a couple of 50s, or 150. There we go, that's that drawer counted. So we go to end, and it gives us a summary. So each denomination, so each coin, quantity and total value. Same for the notes. End gives you the total, and then you've got the option to print. So if you've got the printer set up, you can now print the report out, or if you're just working by hand, you can jot the totals down from that total screen that I just showed you. Now you move on to the next insert. So OK, ready for the next till, and then the same process again. Pennies. I've now got a bag of 2p's on this one, so we press bag, stick them on the top, and we've got exactly one full bag of 2p's. You now need to be careful to go back to Teller Cup, because it's jumped onto the 5p's but gone straight to the bag. What you've got to remember is that the scale, the Tellermate scales are there to assist you, but obviously it doesn't know what you're putting on the scale. It's presuming you're putting the right thing on, but obviously that's down to you. So I haven't got any 10p's, so I should just be able to scroll on to 20s. Same again with 50s, haven't got any. So again, you've got to remember to press the button to move on to the pounds. £2. I've got no more full bags, so it should just be arrow up to loose £5. 11 this time. £10. 6 there. 20s. 9. It's counted 10 and I only counted 9, so let's double check that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the machine was right, I was wrong. The problem with these polymer notes, they do stick together. You'll notice that I'm counting King Charles III notes in with the Queen Elizabeth ones, because this is the latest version of the machine. It's all ready for those notes. So we're on, just because I've been distracted, it's important to double check I'm on 50s. I'm counting 50s, pop them on the top. 2, add it to the total, and then the end process is the same. So end count, it gives you your total. So if you're jotting your banking figures down, now's the time to do it. It's the quantity of each coin and the value, and the same with the notes. End, and then you've got the option to either print, if you've got the Tellermate printer connected, move on to a third till. I only have 2, so I won't be doing that. So then it's important when you finish to go to end, and then it will take you back to the home screen, so it's ready for the next cashing up. Okay, I hope that video has been helpful. We've got plenty more videos showing you how to get the best out of the Tellermate money counting scales. Some of those videos will be appearing on screen now, so you're welcome to check those out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit shopstuff.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.